Alright guys, today we are doing the steak barbecue at home. Best recipe for a homemade steak. And then put a little fan. Look, the fire's popped up. So, alright guys, we are done. It took us like not more than 20 minutes. Everything is done. Alright guys, today we are doing the steak barbecue at home. So we decided to make a smaller vlog just to show you our best recipe for a homemade steak. We got some New York steak. कौन सा था?
Ribeye.
Ribeye. Okay. Alright guys and friends, today we are doing barbecue at home. We are making some ribeye steaks. So we bought some steaks. These are halal steak. They start selling in Restaurant Depot. So if somebody is interested in buying some halal steak and do a barbecue at home, Restaurant Depot is a good source. I mean, I'm not doing their publicity. They're not paying me anything, but this is the place I go and buy my steak. So we bought all these steaks. We were planning to go out and eat some steak, but then we decided, hey, let's make at home and share with our followers and friends and do our recipe. So it's a very simple recipe for steak. The only thing you need is a black pepper, fresh black pepper, and sea salt. And the only thing you just do is you marinate it with the black pepper and some salt, and leave them for about an hour with salt and pepper. After that, you just burn your charcoal. When the flame get a little bit died and it's hot, you just put your steak. No need for anything else. You just cut it to small slices. If you want it for the taste, just put some sea salt on it, and that's about it. So stick to our channel. Let's watch the whole recipe and the process how to make best steak at home. So we will see you in a little bit once we put the fire on, and then we will take you outside. So by the time, like, share and subscribe. Alright guys, we start the fire. So let's put some coals in a bucket. I usually put some oil, fluid, and then put a little fan. Look, the fire's popped up. So once the coals is all red, we're gonna throw in the grill and then start doing the steaks. Look good, huh?
Yeah.
You need rare, medium, well, what you need, Yavar? My God, the fire is picking up a really good. Oh. There you go.
Maybe we should take it off.
Don't cut it yet. Alright guys, it's coming out really good. Let's try some and we can tell you the taste of it. Medium well. Alright guys, look at the baked potatoes, garlic bread and steak, and Pepsi. Everything is done, very tenderized. So this is my plate: garlic bread, mashed potato, and my sirloin steak. and which one is it? Ribeye steak. It's really delicious. It took us 15-20 minutes to done the whole thing. So I hope you like my vlog. If you like my vlog, please like, share, and subscribe, and forward it to your friends and family if they want to do a really good barbecue at home. Barbecue steak. Follow my recipe. There's nothing there, black pepper and salt, and that's about it. So hopefully you like it. If you like it, take care of yourself, and see you next time with the next vlog. Thank you for watching Quresh's Travel and Vlog. Peace out.
What about?